How small are we in the grandness of the universe? How big is the universe really? Let's go on a fascinating voyage through the immenseness of our universe and find out together how infinite it really is. You reside on this celestial body, Earth, somewhere in the vast cosmos. Your entire existence, everything you've ever known, is confined to this minuscule speck in the grand scheme of the universe. But just how diminutive is Earth when measured against the vast expanse of the cosmos? Let's embark on a journey by zooming out, beginning with our nearest cosmic companion, the Moon. The Moon, although it appears close to Earth as it dominates our night skies, is deceptively distant. In reality, it resides approximately 384,400 kilometers away from you on average. To put this into perspective, you could fit 30 entire Earths between this separation. If you were hypothetically capable of driving a car at a consistent speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you about 160 days to cover this colossal distance. Despite this incredible gap, a select few humans have ventured to the Moon, marking one of humanity's most remarkable achievements. These astronauts reached a point farther from Earth than any other individual in history. Imagine standing beside them on the lunar surface, gazing back at our home. Should you wish to communicate with someone back on Earth from this lunar outpost, it would take approximately 2.5 seconds for a message to traverse the distance, thanks to the incredible speed of light. Here's a photograph captured on Mars, displaying Earth as a tiny dot when viewed from the Martian surface. On average, Mars resides an astonishing 225 million kilometers away from Earth, with the distance occasionally expanding to 401 million kilometers. This means that when humanity eventually sends a human to Mars, that individual will find themselves 986 times farther from Earth than the Moon's astronauts. Furthermore, the time delay for sending a message from Mars back to Earth isn't a mere 2.5 seconds. It's approximately 20 minutes each way, rendering instantaneous communication in emergencies unfeasible. Zooming out further, we encounter Voyager 1, a space probe now residing 138 astronomical units, AU, from Earth. An AU is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, meaning Voyager 1 is situated 138 times farther from us than the Sun. At its current velocity of 17 kilometers per second, it will require another 30,000 years to escape the grasp of our solar system. Venturing beyond the solar system, we enter the realm of our interstellar neighborhood. Here, we employ the light-year unit, representing the distance light travels in a full Earth year, roughly 9.4 trillion kilometers. The closest star to us, aside from our Sun, is Proxima Centauri, located 4.24 light-years away. To contextualize this distance, even if Voyager 1 were headed in that direction, it would take over 70,000 years to reach it. This is over 6 times longer than the entire age of the universe, and Proxima Centauri may no longer exist by the time Voyager 1 arrives. Continuing our journey, we arrive at the Milky Way galaxy, within which Earth occupies a minuscule position. The yellow dot denotes the farthest extent of humanity's radio broadcasts throughout history. Beyond this region, space remains eerily silent. The Milky Way spans over 100,000 light-years, hosting more than 100 billion stars and an equal number of planets. Yet, the night sky reveals only a fraction of this galactic grandeur, as 99% of visible stars are limited to a small portion. However, even the vast Milky Way galaxy pales in comparison to the broader cosmic expanse. Zooming out further, we encounter the Local Group, comprising 54 distinct galaxies, stretching across approximately 10 million light-years. Expanding our perspective yet again, we unveil the Virgo supercluster, of which the Local Group is but a tiny fragment. This colossal structure encompasses at least 100 other groups of galaxies like our own. The expanse from one end to the other spans a staggering 110 million light-years. Nevertheless, the Virgo supercluster is dwarfed by the immense Laniakea supercluster, an expansive entity housing our galaxy and 100,000 others. The width of this supercluster stretches across 520 million light-years. Yet, all these magnitudes pale in comparison to the entire observable universe, which encompasses everything we currently know. This vast realm encompasses a staggering 2 trillion galaxies, each housing more stars than grains of sand on Earth. The distance from Earth to any edge of the observable universe spans 46.5 billion light-years, resulting in a total width of 93 billion light-years. What lies beyond the observable universe remains a profound mystery. The observable universe represents only what we can currently perceive, leaving open the possibility of an even more expansive and wondrous cosmos beyond our knowledge. Certain regions of space are so remote that their light may never reach us, as they recede from Earth faster than the speed of light. In conclusion, as incomprehensibly vast as the observable universe appears, it represents just a fraction of the entirety of the cosmos. According to the theory of cosmic inflation, the universe may be 150 sextillion times larger than what we can currently observe. This scale is nearly inconceivable, reminding us of our infinitesimal place in the grand tapestry of existence. Nonetheless, this knowledge should inspire curiosity and wonder, as there is a boundless universe waiting to be explored and understood.